I'm gonna get out of his way so I don't get shot. There's two, and there's one right over here.
You guys know where he's at?
I believe he called hit. He just got hit. So he's walking out.
You hit? I hit him fully on the road. Yeah. You seen him before? You know where he's at? Yeah. Oh, where? Fuck, how can it be so hard to kill one person?
I'm not for sure where he's at. I believe he's in there somewhere. I'm not for sure. I'm not going to say. Someone's moving, going in there. That brush right over there. He's hit. And white one.